If you're still answering frequently asked question of your customer manually, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to build an AI WhatsApp chatbot for your telecommunication business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry and question related to telecommunication. Replying each question individually and efficiently would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where our new feature AI Assistant make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp AI chatbot for your telecommunication business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people's inquiry, issue, and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using the new feature on Pabbly Chatflow, which is AI Assistant powered by OpenAI. This will going to answers all the questions and inquiry of my customer without any manual efforts. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web, and here I'm going to type my initial message, which is I need help. As soon as I have entered my initial message, they have responded me with a message which says, of course, what do you need assistance with? I am here to help. With that, I'm going to ask my query like this, where I have entered my question, can I check my data balance through the chatbot? With that, they have responded me with a message which says, yes, just type check data balance and I can fetch your current usage and remind data instantly. Would you like to check it now? Here I'm going to respond with no. As soon as I have sent my message, they have also responded with a message which says, that's perfectly fine. If you have any other question or need assistance with something else, feel free to ask. I am here to help. With that, I'm going to ask one more question. Do you offer international roaming plans? For that, they have responded me, yes, we do offer international roaming plans. I can help you find roaming package, activate them for your number, and track any changes while you're on board. Would you like more detail on that? Now I'm going to ask one last question. How can I activate a new SIM or eSIM? To activate a new SIM or eSIM, I can guide you through the KYC verification and activation step. Alternately, I can connect you with an agent for further help. Which option would you prefer? I will respond with a message which says guide me through the KYC verification and activation step. As soon as I have entered my response, they have responded me with all the guidelines for KYC verification and activation, as you can see. So yes, this chatbot is replying me and answering all my questions efficiently and without any manual effort. That's the power of AI Assistant that you can use on Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below Team Queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chat Flow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, Setting, and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building a AI assistant. For that, I'm going to click on AI Assistant. After that, you're going to be landed on this page. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer questions, solve problem, and engage effortlessly with your customer. To make a new AI assistant, I'm going to click on add new AI assistant, and after that I'm going to provide a name. As we are making this AI assistant for telecommunication business, I will add. Now my AI assistant is added over here. After that, I'm going to select my AI instruction. As we are making this AI assistant for telecommunication, I will select instruction as AI agent. As soon as I have selected my instruction type, they have provided me all the instruction in which they mention role, how my AI chatbot will going to help to my customer to solve their query, clear their doubts, and clarify their questions. Now after that, we need to select AI configuration, in which I need to set my temperature, where 0 means focus and 1 means creative. I'm going to select my configuration as 0.7 as I want to make it more creative. After that, I'm going to select my use as OpenAI, and I'm going to select my model. Here we are going to select our model as GPT-4o Mini, which is a cost-effective model. After that, you need to enter your API token, and to get API token, you need to visit OpenAI API key page to get the API key that you need to enter over here. As I already have my API token, I'm going to click on connect option. As you can see, I got a message that OpenAI key saved successfully. Now I'm going to put a fallback message. As we are making this chatbot for telecommunication, I will name it as telecommunication. As you can see, it is going to be appear over here like this. Below that, we need to put header, which is going to be appear below the header name. We are online and happy to assist you. I'm going to keep it same over here. Now you need to put your initial message that would be delivered as soon as your customer enter a message. I'm going to keep it as it is. After that, you need to select the display. You can enable or enable them. Over here, you can also put your footer text, which is going to be visible over here, and your company footer link as well. On to our last step on assistant interface, we need to put a first message that your customer going to be put as a trigger message. As you can see, I have entered I need help as my initial message. With that, I'm going to move forward to the styling. Here you can change theme mode as light or dark, assistant shape to circle, square, or round. Even you can change background color, text color, and add profile picture, assistant picture, and background picture. Now as you can see, I'm done setting my AI chatbot for telecommunication business. I'm going to active my AI assistant and save my AI assistant. As you can see, I got a message that AI assistant saved successfully. That means it is ready to run in real time. For that, I'm going to open WhatsApp web again. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.